but now actually based on the market situation or like our internal resources, this is a priority, top priority right now. So can you focus on this? Something like this. It's always happening, so must be flexible.
For sharing. Um, so, what are your top five criterias when you hire someone as a manager or as another finding another leader for your team in your company?
Hmm. Okay. First, this person must be flexible.
Mm,
Mhm. Because they're in Vietnam, some members like a expertise for something, and that they don't want to be flexible sometimes based on their industry experience, based on their knowledge. They want to do this. I don't want to change for the another field or something like this. But their like a startup environment is changing every day. We need to change. Actually, we changed our business model many times before, but once we fix, now it's kind of like a stable, but there about the organization it's changing, and the priority, because we have always limited resources, right? Not only like money, like human resources, everything's time, so must be flexible. Okay. uh, Last year our priority is this, but now actually based on the market situation or like our internal resources, this is a priority, top priority right now. So can you focus on this? Something like this. It's always happening, so must be flexible. And the second things is must be self motivator, self thinker. You know, Actually, we are not like a big company. We try to make a good environment for the newcomers to teach everything. Step by step. We try to make a training center for this. But this is after 3 years actually. You know, First year, second year, third year, we didn't have a time, to think about this. So must be a self motivator, like self driven. Okay. Uh, every morning, maybe okay, I will do this, and I will finish this, something like this. We need these persons. Yeah. Maybe we can train, but there it takes maybe 1 year, 2 years, and then 1 year, 2 years for startup is like 10 years for the usual company. Yeah.
oh,
Okay. And the third things is, like I said, the commitment. We need someone who has a commitment, and we need a person is very, very honest. Okay. Hmm. We don't need a person who hide something. Okay. And this is very, very difficult, but uh, I personally don't like the excuse, telling the excuse. Okay.
oh,
Hmm. I think maybe after this session, you can ask my members. Okay. I think they don't see I'm saying the excuse, and they know. I try to be very, very patient, but they know I'm a bit like gets angry for the excuse.
mm,
Uh, yeah, I don't like excuse, but I need the logical explanation why you cannot do this, why we cannot do this. That's why we can think together. Okay, if this is an excuse, we cannot think together. Yeah.
oh my.
Okay.
uh, it,
Yeah, and their final things is like we need the person who has a mind to make something like a big together with the teams. Some members, some people are trying to do something the best in his area, in her area. Okay, It's like a professional ways. It's also good. You know, but the setup is a project to achieve something with the teams. Yeah, I cannot do by myself. That's why we need members. So we want have our same mind people together within our team.
Mm.
Hmm.
Um, all right. Thank you, Mr. Kasuki, for your insights so far.